Have you ever find your screen too bright at night or just too dim during the day? Adjusting your screen brightness can help reduce eye strains and save battery on laptops. But on Windows 10, the brightness setting can feel a bit hidden, especially if you are new to it. So in this video, I'll show you how you can change your screen brightness on Windows 10 in very few steps. Whether you are on laptop or desktop, I've got you covered. So let's get into it. Method 1 is using the Action Center. Look at the bottom right corner of your screen and click on the notification icon. It looks like a chat bubble. This opens the Action Center. Look for brightness slider. It usually at the bottom, and you can just drag the slider left or right to adjust the brightness. And if you don't see the slider, you can just click expand to show more options. You will find it here. And method 2 is through settings. For that, you can click start menu and then go to settings, select system, then click on display on the left side. Under brightness and colors, you will see a slider labeled change brightness. Just slide it left to decrease or right to increase the brightness. This option will only work if you are on a laptop or have a monitor that supports brightness control. And now you know few easy ways to adjust your screen brightness in Windows 10. It's a simple and small change that can make a big difference for your eyes and your battery health. So if you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe. And if you have any question or want more tutorials like that, just drop in the comment sections and I'll try to make a video on it. So thanks for watching and see you in the next one.